Good morning guys. Nandito tayo ngayon guys para mag-react ng bagong music video ng BINI guys. Yung Cherry on Top. So kalalabas lang to guys kahapon. So react na rin dan kasi maganda to kasi guys. Kasi tingnan mo ilang oras lang 2 million na guys. 2 point something million na. So 2.1 million na guys. So let's go guys, i-react natin yung BINI Cherry on Top. Let's go.
My presence is a present.
Wow.
French, I keep you guessing. Know you got a little candy crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every
Wow.
day celebrate you with me.
Oh guys. Oh. Maganda yung ano nila ngayon guys. Video nila guys. Maganda yata to. Malaking budget to guys. Yung production nila guys. Maganda. Oh. Pang international na talaga to guys. Saan kaya to yung ano nila set up? Sa Pinas ba to o sa ibang bansa? Kasi di naman to on set eh. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda ng production guys. Mamahalin guys.
Every day, it's your birthday, I'll repeat, birthday, I'll
Wow.
repeat. If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can you turn the heat up? Baby, I'm the
My
king,
God.
better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, every beat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the
Wow. Grabe guys. Yung level nila guys parang pang black pink na guys. Oh, shock. Oh, BINI, congrats. Hindi na talaga sila maano guys. Malaki na talaga yung pagbabago nila. Yung sa mga video nila at saka mga galawan nila at saka yung production guys, paganda. Yung color grading guys, ang ganda guys. Ano talaga, bagay talaga sa video nila at saka sa mga costume nila, damit. Maganda, maganda. Nice, nice.
king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, cherry, I'm so berry, rainbow cotton candy. Glitzy
Oh,
glitter,
rap.
dripping drama, oh, I'm just so fancy. He can deny, no, he can deny.
Nagra-rap para to si ano? Gwen? Oh, Gwen. Oh, come on, Gwen.
I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. I'm a sight for sorry
Oh,
eyes.
Mika.
When you're paralyzed, dancing in the disco lights. I could do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl. Not your average girl.
Not your average girl.
'Cause you know who run the world.
Oh, run the world.
Every day,
Ito, Beyonce, shout out.
you with me. Every day.
Oh.
It's your birthday, I'll repeat, birthday, I'll repeat. If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can you turn the heat up?
Guys, maganda ang ano nito. Dance practice guys. Kasi sa tingin ko maganda yung ano nila. Mga steps dito. So, antayin natin guys yung mga dance practice nila dito guys sa Cherry on Top. Maganda.
Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can
Oh.
be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top,
Cherry on top.
C-H-E-R-R.
Wow. Oh. Ano yun? Oh! Ito guys. Ang maganda sa Bini guys kasi proud sila na Pilipino. Pinay. Bini. Tingnan mo, pinapakita pa nila yung mga kakanin natin. Banana Q at saka ito. Yung soft drinks nilagay lang sa plastic tapos may straw. Oh, nice one. Yeah, nice one. Pinapakita talaga nila yung Pilipino. Oh,
There's no going back, no, once you try.
daming cherry.
If you want it sweet, put the sugar on low. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm
Ganda ni Joanna. Wow.
the cherry on
Ang ganda nila lahat guys.
Honey over me, got you buzzing round me. Sticky, sticky, sweet.
Grabe yung production guys.
Baby, I'm the cake, better know
Wow.
what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y.
Pang international na talaga guys.
Ingredients are hard to find.
Oh. Ang ganda ng ano nila, video. Pati ang production guys, ang ganda. So abangan natin guys yung dance practice nila kasi I'm sure maganda yun guys. So don't forget guys, puntahan nyo yung Bini, i-like nyo at saka mag-subscribe kayo sa channel nila. Suportahan natin yung Bini guys, tayo mga blooms guys. So at sana guys, suportahan din nyo ako. Baka naman dyan guys, pa-like and subscribe guys kung okay lang sa inyo. So this is it guys. See you next video. Bye bye guys.